Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. For over 25 years, the Wilson Hyper Hammer has been a favorite among beginner tennis players, and the latest version continues this legacy. Designed with a lightweight frame, weighing just 8.96 ounces, this 27.5-inch racket allows for effortless swinging and extended play without straining your shoulder or elbow. Its user-friendly design is ideal for newcomers looking to enjoy long sessions on the court comfortably. The oversized 110 square inch head gives beginners plenty of hitting surface, making off-center shots more forgiving and helping players build confidence with each serve and return. The racket's balanced feel and generous sweet spot make it easier to generate spin and develop new shot shapes quickly, accelerating skill growth for those just starting out. What makes the Hyper Hammer stand out even more is its unbeatable value. Despite offering performance features commonly found in mid-range rackets, it comes with a beginner-friendly price tag, making it perfect for budget-conscious players seeking quality without compromise. Available in multiple grip sizes, it caters to a variety of hand sizes, ensuring comfort and control during play. Whether you're just picking up a racket for the first time or looking to upgrade from a basic model, the Wilson Hyper Hammer combines lightweight power, easy handling, and affordability. It's the ultimate choice for beginners who want to focus on learning the game while enjoying every moment on the court. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. The Babolat Boost S is a standout choice for beginner tennis players who want a racket that's easy to handle yet powerful enough to improve their game quickly. Loved by players at every level, including professionals, Babolat has a long-standing reputation for quality, and the Boost series is purpose-built to deliver everything a beginner needs, without unnecessary extras. Weighing just 9.8 ounces and measuring 27 inches in length, this lightweight racket allows for effortless swings, minimizing fatigue during long sessions on the court. At the same time, its solid construction provides enough heft to generate powerful, controlled shots, giving beginners confidence while practicing serves, returns, and volleys. The 102 square inch head strikes the perfect balance between control and forgiveness, helping new players make consistent contact and improve shot accuracy. The Boost S is designed to enhance your returns with an extra boost of power while maintaining a comfortable feel. Its design encourages learning proper technique without sacrificing control, making it easier for beginners to explore spin, angles, and placement. Affordably priced, the Boost S sits in the sweet spot for beginners looking to step up from basic entry-level rackets without breaking the bank. Available in multiple grip sizes, it accommodates different hand sizes for maximum comfort and playability. Specifications: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. The Babolat Boost S is the ideal racket for beginners ready to enjoy the game, improve quickly, and play with confidence. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. The Babolat Clash 108 V2 is a top-tier racket designed for beginners who want to invest in their game and enjoy long-lasting performance. While it comes at a higher price point, the comfort, control, and durability it offers make it an excellent choice for players serious about improving every aspect of their game. Measuring 27.25 inches and weighing 10.48 ounces, the Clash 108 V2 strikes the perfect balance between responsive power and ease of use. Its enlarged 108 square inch head provides a generous sweet spot, improving forgiveness on off-center hits and helping beginners make consistent contact while reducing mishits. This thoughtful design ensures a comfortable playing experience while still offering precision and control for developing advanced shot techniques. The racket's advanced construction allows for better energy transfer with each swing, giving players an added boost without compromising accuracy. It's ideal for beginners looking to work on all facets of their game, from serves and volleys to ground strokes and spin shots. The Clash 108 V2 is designed to grow with you, meaning it will remain a reliable companion for years of regular play, outperforming most entry-level rackets in durability and performance. Though pricier than typical beginner models, the investment pays off through unmatched comfort, control, and long-term value. Available in multiple grip sizes, this racket caters to a variety of hand sizes for optimal playability and confidence on the court. Specifications: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. For beginners ready to commit to quality and long-term improvement, the Babolat Clash 108 V2 is the ultimate choice. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Prince Geo Speed is a reliable and budget-friendly option for beginner tennis players looking for performance without breaking the bank. Designed with a focus on durability and ease of use, this racket delivers everything a new player needs to enjoy the game and develop their skills. Measuring 27.5 inches in length and weighing 10.4 ounces, the Geo Speed offers a slightly longer reach, making it ideal for smaller players with shorter swings while still benefiting all beginners who are learning proper technique. Its 105 square inch head provides a generous hitting surface, increasing forgiveness on off-center shots and helping new players build confidence during serves, volleys, and ground strokes. Constructed with strong, durable materials, the Geo Speed is built to withstand regular recreational play. Its design emphasizes comfort and control, allowing beginners to focus on improving their game without being limited by equipment. Whether you're practicing for fun or gearing up for your first matches, this racket balances performance and ease of handling perfectly. Though not a premium pro-level racket, the Geo Speed shines as an excellent value pick. Its combination of a large head, sturdy construction, and beginner-friendly weight makes it an ideal choice for players just starting out, casual weekend players, or anyone adding a secondary racket to their collection. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. With the Prince Geo Speed, beginners can enjoy a comfortable, forgiving, and durable racket that offers great performance at an approachable price point. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. Experience the performance of a pro-level racket without the pro-level price with the Head T.S6. Trusted by tennis legends like Novak Djokovic, head rackets bring decades of championship pedigree to players of all levels. The T.S6 combines this expert technology with beginner-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for newcomers looking to develop their skills and enjoy the game. Measuring 27.75 inches and weighing just 8 ounces unstrung, the T.S6 is exceptionally lightweight, allowing for effortless swings and minimizing fatigue during extended play. Its oversized 115 square inch head provides an expansive hitting surface, giving beginners extra forgiveness on off-center shots and helping build confidence on every serve and return. This design ensures that even new players can experience powerful, accurate shots reminiscent of professional play. Though it's a pared-down model compared to Head's premium offerings, the T.S6 retains the key technology that makes the brand famous. Its balanced frame promotes both power and control, enabling beginners to experiment with spin, placement, and different shot types while maintaining a comfortable feel on the court. With a sub-$100 price point, the Head T.S6 offers one of the best feature-to-dollar ratios in beginner tennis rackets. Its combination of oversized head, lightweight construction, and trusted head technology makes it an ideal starting point for anyone learning the game or adding a reliable recreational racket to their collection. Specifications: length, 27.75 inches. Weight, 8 ounces, unstrung. Head size, 115 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. The Head T.S6 is perfect for beginners seeking professional-inspired performance at an affordable price.